12379 Chapman Road in Taylor, Texas is a true diamond in the rough. This wonderful location lies within Winona School District. If you've been waiting for a home where your vision truly matters, this one might be it. Priced at just under $150,000, this home is ready for updating throughout, making it a great opportunity for someone who wants to bring their own imagination, color palette, and a little sweat equity to the table. Instead of paying for someone else's design choices, you get a chance to start fresh and make it your own from the inside out. Whether you're a first-time buyer looking to build equity or an investor searching for your next value-add project, the potential here is hard to ignore. With a solid space to work with and room to reimagine, this home is less about what it is today and more about what it can become. Conveniently located near the now completed Amazon facility, Yellowwood, UT North Hospital, and Interstate 20, making this an ideal location for a fresh start for you and your family. This 3 or 4 bedroom home is ready for you.